Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Basics Pro 20,000 milliamp wireless charging power bank by AUKEY. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, press that like button and subscribe. Let's jump into it. First out of the box, we have the warranty card, the user manual, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and finally we have the power bank. As I mentioned earlier, this is a 20,000 milliamp battery. With that size, you should be able to charge a phone up to 5 times. It's Qi compatible and supports 10-watt wireless fast charging, USB power delivery 3.0, and quick charge 3.0. You could charge up to 3 devices with a total output of 18 watts. A numerical LED battery level indicator, and lastly, we have a convenient stand to make viewing your phone easier while charging. Coming in at roughly 6 by 2 inches, it's about the same size of a standard smartphone and weighs about 300 grams. Along with its sleek gunmetal finish, the power bank is branded with the AUKEY logo and a charging icon to indicate the wireless charging pad. Over on the side of the unit, you have the power button to turn on the wireless charging. Over on the other side, we have a USB port and a USB-C charging port, which is used to also charge the battery bank. Slightly over to the right, we have the wireless charging indicator. When it's flashing, that indicates that it's fast charging, and when it's solid, it's charging at 5 watts. Next, we have the battery level LED screen. You won't be able to tell by this video, but it does show the numerical value of the amount of battery that is available on the power bank. On the back, we have a stand that kicks into place for the hands-free viewing. And on the front, we have a pull-out ledge to keep your phone in place. Since I've been using this power bank, I've been mainly utilizing the wireless fast charging, as it's pretty convenient not having to carry around any cables. When using the wireless fast charging, it took me 2 hours and 10 minutes to get me from 16% battery life to 100% battery life. Just keep in mind, even though you can charge up to 3 devices, it will take longer to charge them, as the max output is 18 watts. Should you exceed that amount, the power bank will just turn off. Overall, I'm really pleased with this power bank. It's not too heavy, fits nicely in my pocket, and charges really quickly. The only thing I would have liked to see included is a power brick. So this is where I'm going to end the video today. All the product links can be found in the description down below. And since you're there, hit that like button and help the channel grow by hitting that subscribe button to get all the latest videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.